Hey y'all, I am back with another video and I am going to talk all about American Express Platinum Gold Business. I get a lot of questions about American Express, so stay tuned to the video because I'm going to tell you how you can get approved, what are the perks, how you can use your credit to get you rewards, cashback, gift cards, all that kind of great stuff. So stay tuned, you guys. See you soon.
So high, I'm hypnotized.
Hey y'all, it's me, Rose, and I'm back with another video. And today we're talking all about American Express. Me personally, I'm very much an Amex Gold girl, but I'm going to explain to y'all the Amex Gold, the Amex Platinum, and also the American Express business cards. Now, as far as you being approved for an American Express credit card, whether it is the Platinum, the Gold, or the business credit cards, here are the minimal requirements that I've seen. You need to at least have a 620 personal credit score. They normally will pull your Experian credit report. I would suggest that you have no charge-off accounts. A charge-off is a personal loan that's gone into collections, a credit card that's gone into collections, an auto collection, mortgage, things of that nature. If you have any of those, I would suggest you have minimum to none. So to make sure that you do get approved, if you have one or two small collections, which is like a medical bill or something, that's not going to really affect it too much. You do need to make sure that you have minimal inquiries as well. To me, minimum is about 4 inquiries or less. And remember, if you do have a bunch of inquiries, no worries. I actually made a tutorial video on how you can remove your inquiries over the phone on all 3 credit bureaus within 24 hours. I'm going to link that video up above. So if you want to get approved for any of the American Express credit cards, 620 credit score or higher, minimal to no charge off, and minimal inquiries. Those are the basic approval rates. Of course, there's exceptions to every rule, but that's what I've seen that people normally get approved for, and they normally pull your Experian credit report. Now that we've gotten the approvals out of the way, another great thing and hack that most people don't know about American Express is, well, you can apply for an American Express credit card and get 1 inquiry and apply for multiple cards and get approved for multiples with just 1 inquiry. So for me personally, I applied for my American Express Gold, Platinum, and business credit card within a few days of each other, and it was only 1 inquiry, but I got all 3 of those credit cards approved and in the mail. So if you are looking to get multiple American Express products, that is the best way for you to do it, just with 1 inquiry. And that's just a baseline on how they actually personally do things. If you are trying to get approved for the business credit cards, it is the same minimal requirements with American Express. Even if you want a business credit card, it is a hard pull on your personal credit Experian credit report, and it will be 1 inquiry no matter how many you apply for and get approved for. But it will not report on your personal credit if you apply for the business card only. They just will approve you based on your personal credit. So in my opinion, if you're using that card, that's one that if you need to use your balance on, you can kind of float it and it won't affect your personal credit scores. So those are the bases as far as you being approved for American Express. American Express gives you a lot of great perks, and they actually give you sign-up bonuses. So if you're signing up for American Express, and this is a little hack, I'm gonna put the video on the screen for y'all because I put this on Instagram before. If you sign up for American Express on an incognito window, you can get the 80,000 points sign-up bonus. And the way that works is you're maximizing how much you get. So if you sign up for the American Express Gold, you can get anywhere from 75 to 80,000 bonus points for signing up, as long as you spend $2,000 on that credit card within the first 6 months. if you apply for the American Express Platinum card, as long as you spend $6,000 within the first 6 months, you can get up to 100,000 points. Now, I know you guys are probably wondering, okay, what are these points? What's the point of them? Me doing them? How does it work? The American Express points that you gain can be used to get gift cards. So basically, you can turn your points into cash, and they have gift cards to where you can just get an American Express gift card for whatever the total amount of your points are. They also have an option for they have Nordstrom, Saks, Target, a bunch of different companies where you can get gift cards where you can just use your points to buy stuff for free. You can also use those said points to make any type of flight reservations, hotels, Uber, all that kind of great stuff. So there are a lot of perks in which you can use your actual points for. I personally like to use it for gift cards and travel, as well as when you sign up for American Express, they give you $100 Uber credit. If you have the American Express Platinum credit card, you are able for you and one additional person to get into the American Express lounge in any airport. They also have an additional option if you have the Platinum card where you can take a back entrance to the LA stadium. It's so many perks for the American Express Platinum card that you'd be surprised about. So for me personally, I like both cards, but I prefer the gold card because you get the most bang for your buck as far as accruing your points. So for the gold card, you get 4 times the points on any grocery store purchases. So whenever I go to the grocery store, personally, I actually just use my American Express credit card, and then I'll pay off whatever the balance is with my debit card. You get 3 times the points cash back when you're using it at the pump. You get additional points for any type of other purchases. It's just 1 point. But the American Express Gold is going to give you the most points back for most of your purchases. For the American Express Platinum, to me, the Platinum card is really only for people who do a lot of traveling because you get the majority of your points. You get 5 times the points on any type of hotel reservations or airline tickets. So if you're someone that travels a lot and you also want to be able to go into the American Express lounge when you go to the airport, so instead of you sitting out with the common folk, you get to go in the Amex lounge, and they have free food and drinks. I know, I've been in there a few times. And it's really great for people who travel. But if you're an everyday person, you go to the grocery store, you're getting gas, you're just making everyday purchases, I would recommend the American Express Gold because you're going to accrue a lot more points faster by using that particular card. Now, I want to talk about the best way to maximize your American Express credit card or any credit card that you have. In my opinion, me personally, I don't use my debit card to really purchase anything anymore. I use my credit cards to make purchases. The safest way for you to do this and not put yourself in debt. So, because I know at the grocery store, I'm going to get 4 times the points using my American Express Gold credit card, I'll go to the grocery store. Let's say my groceries were $120. I will use my American Express credit card to pay for my groceries. And then whenever I make it home or in the car, I will go on my American Express app on my phone and I will pay my credit card bill with my debit card for whatever purchase I just did. Now, that's the best way for you to do it so you don't accrue debt because, you're using money you don't have. Me personally, I just pay mine on a monthly basis. So whether you want to do it monthly or after every transaction, you're making sure you're getting your points so you can use those points towards travels, gift cards, or whatever. But you're also making sure that you're not putting yourself in debt by paying it off either monthly or after each transaction. So that is how you get rewards for the money that you spend on an everyday basis. They also do have options on most rent portals for you to pay with an American Express credit card. The actual fee is a bit higher, I know, but if you do want to get the points for paying your rent, since that's probably one of your biggest bills with your credit card, that is also an option or something that you can do. So if you guys want to get approved for an American Express credit card, I will put the approval link below. You can actually do a pre-approval to make sure that you qualify based on them doing a soft check on your credit. It won't be a hard inquiry or anything. So I'm going to put the pre-approval link for you guys in the description. Comment below. Let me know what's your favorite American Express product. What do you want to use your card for? Are you looking for travel? Are you looking for gift cards? You looking for Uber? Let me know in the comments below what you want to use your American Express card for. And I'll see you guys next time. And if you have bad credit and you need to fix it, I do have a live disputing class that I do every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM, where I teach you how to fix your own credit live on Zoom. Me and you will be on Zoom. I'll pull up your credit report and I'll go over each account with you for what accounts you need to dispute. I will also let you know what dispute reasons to use, help you make your letter, and then, so you can go ahead and send it off. Now, credit repair in general, whether you use a company or you do it yourself with my help, is roughly about a 3 to 6 month time frame. And my class is $21.99 a month. So you get to learn how to fix your own credit in my class for the low price of $21.99 a month. And you get to ask me all the questions that you need about credit repair, boosting your credit, auto loans, you want to get a credit card, things about business. So if you are interested in the class, comment below. I will send you the link to join. Until next time. Thank you. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. If you have any credit questions, I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.